So if they haven't determined it to be safe, then why is it in food? Oh, and studies have shown this additive increases the incidence of tumors in rats. What? Oh no. Oh, hi folks, welcome to Pale Exercise. I'm Philip, a certified personal trainer and group exercise instructor. Here at Pale Exercise, we don't push products, sell buys, or rant. We give you education because we believe that's important. We're going through the ingredients in the top 10 most popular Halloween candies, and today is number 2, Reese's Cups. I want to eat it now. I know. Same. Finding the nutrition facts for Reese's were as simple as they should be. With the ingredient panel here, we will be talking about 14 ingredients today. The ingredients are listed by weight. The ingredient that has the highest weight is listed first. Hey sugar, you again. And the ingredient with the lowest weight is listed last. Are you ready to learn something new? As long as I can eat them, let's go. Woo! Citric acid is commonly found in citrus fruits like lemons and limes. It is what gives them that tart, sour taste. It is used as a flavoring and preserving agent. I like lemons and limes. Let's sit here and bust some rhymes. Nah, next ingredient, TBHQ. Full name, tertiary butyrohydroquinone. Where the saying goes, if you can't pronounce it, you probably shouldn't be eating it. Say that 5 times fast. I can't even say it once. Good point. TBHQ is an additive to preserve processed foods. TBHQ cannot account for more than 0.2% of the oils in a food because the FDA doesn't have evidence that greater amounts are safe. If they haven't determined it to be safe, then why is it still in food? This doesn't mean that more than 0.2% is dangerous. It does indicate that higher safety levels have not been determined. Next ingredient. Oh, and studies have shown that this additive increased the incidence of tumors in rats. Next ingredient. The next group of ingredients all combine to make milk chocolate. Yum, yum, yum. You mean deliciousness. Next ingredient, salt. Used as a preservative and flavor. Limit your intake. Next ingredient, dextrose, more often called glucose. It's a type of sugar not very sweet made from corn. Corn. Next ingredient, oh look, sugar. Less is better. From weight gain to heart disease to acne, increases type 2 diabetes, may increase cancer. Should I go on? Please stop. Peanuts, finally, something I've heard of. Peanuts are a legume that originated in South America. What is a legume? A bean. Peanuts are a nut. Duh. Bean. Where's the proof? Here. Despite their name, peanuts are unrelated to tree nuts. Fine. Next ingredient. I like my beans. PGPR is a food additive used as an emulsifier. The main application of PGPR is in the chocolate industry, where it has important properties as a viscosity modifier and thus improves the molding properties of the molten chocolate. AKA, it helps make chocolate cheaper because less cocoa butter is used. Always about saving money and lasting longer. What about our health? And it extends the shelf life so it can sit on a shelf for longer and not spoil so people can still buy it. This doesn't come from a tree? A chemical lab. Next ingredient, lecithin, is the gummy material contained in crude vegetable oils and removed by degumming. Degumming. Yummy. Soybeans are by far the most important source of commercial lecithin, which extends shelf life, reduces slickness, and has an anti-foaming effect. Also an emulsifier, preventing water and oil from separating. Soybeans, like GMO? 94% of soy acreage in 2018 for the United States was GMO. Next ingredient, lactose is milk sugar, considered a natural sugar. Philip, didn't you jump a cow once? Actually hurdled it. Oh. Next ingredient, milk fat, also known as whole milk, is 3.5% milk fat. And it is the closest to the way it comes from the cow before processing. How do you like your milk? Fat? Next ingredient, skim milk, a dairy product low in fat. Skim milk is also low in saturated fat and lower in calories than other milks. You like? I just grew it today. Next ingredient, chocolate. Yum. Made from cacao beans, or rather seeds from the Theobroma cacao tree. The plant produces large pod-like fruits, each containing 20 to 60 beans surrounded by sticky, sweet tart white pulp. Oh, deliciousness. Next ingredient, cocoa butter. Cocoa beans are roasted, stripped, and pressed to separate out the fat, the cocoa butter. Then you have more sugar, and then you have milk chocolate. And that's what makes up Reese's. You can eat them now. Philip, rumor has it you make homemade ones. I have. Instagram? Please. On Instagram, we will share how to make your own Reese's cups. I think they taste a lot better. Check that out on our Instagram page. Please check out all the research below that we had to cram in this short video. Don't believe us, research it yourself. Please subscribe as we'll be going deeper into foods that you are consuming, and check out the other candy videos coming up. Thank you for watching. Ciao. Woohoo! So, do you want beans in your butter?